Hello dear viewers, today in the video you will find 5 recipes for delicious breakfast. 400 grams of bacon. Where are you looking from? Please write. Two potatoes. My dream is 70,000 subscribers and I will be very happy if you subscribe to my channel. I appreciate each of you. Thank you for being with me. Salt and pepper. One chicken fillet. Salt and pepper. Six eggs. Do you think eggs are superfood or are they a common product in the kitchen? I will give the answer at the end of this recipe, but for now, write in the comments whether eggs are really very useful for us. If you subscribe to my channel, press the bell. You will receive a notification about a new video. Hope to see you next time for the next recipe. Stay healthy and happy. Bake for 45 minutes. And now the answer to the question about eggs. Yes, eggs are superfood, and one egg contains vitamins A, D, E, and also helps with men and women's health. Did you know about this fact? Second recipe. 1 onion. Tell me from which country do you watch my videos? Olive oil. 6 cherry tomatoes. I created this channel to share very simple recipes and I will be very happy if you subscribe to my channel. Salt. Fry for 4 minutes. Six eggs. Cheese. If you want to support me, share this video with a friend. Thank you for watching and supporting. See you in the next video. Cover with a lid and simmer for 4 minutes. Welcome to the Wild Soul Cooking. Today I'm going to share 2 quick breakfasts with you in just a few minutes. 1 baguette. Where are you looking from? Please write in the comments. Grease the pan with a piece of butter. Five eggs. If you like it, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, share. It will help my channel grow. Thank you for your support. 1/2 cup of milk. Salt. Pour the egg mixture on the bread and fry under the lid for 7 minutes. One tomato. The cheese you like. If you like the food I made, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Turn over and add a little ketchup. Send to the oven for 10 minutes. At this moment, the second recipe begins. Half a baguette. Grease the pan with a piece of butter. If you are new to my channel, you can subscribe so you don't miss my other recipes. And if you are subscribed to my channel, I waiting for you in the comments. 6 eggs. One half cup sour cream or yogurt. 2 tomatoes. I will pour the egg into another bowl because that one was too small. Green onion. Salt and pepper. Mix everything well. Don't forget to like and share this recipe with your friends. See you in the next video. Pour on a baguette and fry under the lid for 4 minutes. Gouda cheese, or your choice. Send to the oven for 10 minutes. Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a recipe for a delicious breakfast. 2 eggs. I would be grateful if you would write the country in which you live, so that I know from which country you are watching my video. Salt and pepper. Olive oil. My new dream is 70,000 followers. Subscribe to the channel. One pita bread or tortilla. Fry for 3 minutes. If you want to support me, share this video. Cheese 80 grams. I like to use mozzarella. I did a new manicure. Do you like it? 1 tomato. Very soon there will be changes on my channel, and you will immerse yourself in the atmosphere of nature and peace. Stay with me, subscribe so as not to lose these moments. Turn over and sprinkle with half of cheese. If you like it, please click like. Tomato. Green onion leaves. Two slices of ham. I will be very happy for your subscription. Click the bell so you don't miss my new recipes. Sprinkle with green onions and remaining cheese. My channel will soon have a new atmosphere, a new level and rebranding. In the order not to miss it, subscribe to the channel. Fry on both sides until a beautiful crust. Let me know in the comments if you like this recipe. When autumn came, I started drinking tea and coffee more and more often. I bought a new tea called English Breakfast. I really like it. And what type of tea do you like? Do you prefer coffee?